Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach part 2 video of student management system using Python. This is the last tutorial we show. If the username and password successfully, we will be able to log into the main form. Okay, so here we did if the username and password only we completed so far only the success message display. If the username and password correct, we will be display the success message only, right? Now I don't want to display the success message. Rather than that, I want to visit to the main page. So here this is simple code. So when the username and password correct, what you have to do is uh, I want to remove this message. Instead of that, we have to call into the main page. Okay, so here root destroy mean the current page is this. Okay, the current page is this. Destroy this page. Instead of after that, it's calling to the this. Okay, so when you moving to the one page to another page of Python, you have to import this relevant package from subprocess import code. If you import this required package, then only you will be access to the main page. So main page I haven't created yet. I just create the name as main.py. Okay, so I'm going to this same name I am going to create the page. Okay, call Python main page. Okay, return true. If the username and password correct, it's a return true. If the username and password do not correct, it is a return false, right? So select this one. Okay, this is a project, right? Select this one, root directory. Okay, new Python file. I'm going to create main and I just create something. Okay, double click on this. The page has been created successfully. Now I'm going to import the things. So simple. Okay, Control C to go, Control V to paste. Don't worry, this is all the source code I provide in my website. You will be able to do it. If I write it step by step here, the line by line, if I write and explain, it takes too much of time to complete the project. Right? It's so boring. So that I plan to teach look like this. It's very simple. You have to understand. Video is not going to lengthy. Okay. So here this is the package we have imported into the Geo application tkinter. This is the package, this is the message box tkinter. Okay, this is the one page to another page we are called. When you are calling one page to another page using Python, we are using this one, right? Root tkinter, root title main. This is the dimension. Okay, 500, 500. Okay, we have created two global variables e1 and e2. This is the function we have created def. Okay, call Python main px. This is calling the main form, right? The calling in any form. Okay, so here we have to add student, right? This is the form we have created in my next tutorial, right? Now here in this main form we have consists of two things. Okay, one is a label, another thing is a button. Okay, button we have only created only one button, add student button only, the main form, right? So I just executed and check whether it's working fine or not. After that, if I explain it, you will be able to understand easily, right? The course, right? The username and password correct. Here it successfully wait the moving to the main form. Main form here welcome messages are there. Here I have declaring one button which name is student, add student, right? We have a many another button add course, right? There are the add course, add user. There are there is one or two buttons we have to add it. Later on I am going to add the buttons. Okay, now we are so far I am showing like this, right? So we have added one button, right? Now what I am going to do is here, right? So this is the form I am going to explain right now. This is the 500 500, right? So it created two global variables e1 e2. Here label welcome. After that button root add student. Okay, so the place where the button should be displayed, the place where the button would be displayed, I have mentioned the place here. Okay, you can arrange here. You can decide where the button would be displayed. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, you can decide it, right? I would decide that button would display under the welcome welcome text, right? Okay, this simple stuff I have did it. So when you click on this add button, it visiting to the relevant page which is a register the student. Okay, so if you click on this one, the page is not there, so that here you can show the error as Python can't open that file because the file is not there. If you have created this one, it would be moving to the relevant file. This is very simple. Okay, right? So here the login button. Okay, if the login successfully, current form we have destroyed. Current form means the login form, it will be destroyed. Okay, it will be open to the main form, this one. Okay, it is returning true. It's very simple. The rest of the code I have explained in my part 1 tutorial. Those who are not watched that one, you must watch this that one. This is simple one, we have made it. This is all the source code I provided in my website. You will be able to download and you will be able to put into your project. Right? Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.